Jedediah.
Jedediah. Oh. You hit my sunglasses on the door. Check out my head. Oh my gosh.
It's been a long day.
Yeah, it's been a long day, but a good day though.
But a long day.
There we go. Jessie's just enjoying her drink.
And not being in the truck.
Not being in the truck. And Jet's over here cleaning it. So
watching the video of my mom playing with the cat.
Where? You're watching the video of your mom playing with the cats?
This one you like.
It's pretty cool.
We are in Great Falls, Montana. Today was a big travel day for us. We didn't record a whole lot. We're having bought these at a gas station in North Dakota?
Glendale?
I don't know. It's been a long day. We drove like over 400 miles in like mainly 2-lane. So
and that terrible Highway
12. That's a crap.
Forsyth and Round Table.
Oh man, I think we popped a wheelie. I'm surprised we didn't break anything. It was really rough. There was no shoulder, and we were in the middle of nowhere. I mean,
remote.
We've been in some places I'm like, yo, you break down out here, you can't even pull over. But anyways, a little update. It's beautiful. There's no bugs here. We got dinner once again. We're just, you know, keeping it simple with the pizza outside because of the heat. Jesse's just relaxing. We'll actually, like, I got stuff to grill out and whatever. We'll do that when we actually get to St. Mary's.
Yeah, St. Mary's.
Today's been a long day. Let's go see what Jeff's doing. So once we actually get there, I'll grill out, but I didn't want to unload the grill and all that right now, just because we've been staying one night each place. What's up, Jet?
Hey.
What you doing?
Cleaning.
Cleaning?
Mm-hmm.
So how was the truck ride today?
Good. It'd feel long. I think after a while you get used to it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The kids did pretty good, and the dog. That's a long time to sit. We're probably, what, 7-8 hours?
Yeah, 7-8 hours.
It's a big travel day. So we got this whole trip. We have 2 big travel days. This was one of them, and then we'll have another big one on the way home when we go across Nebraska. That'll be another big day. But other than that, like tomorrow will be a 3-hour day. Most of our days that we have, travel days, are only less than 5 hours. So yeah, it's really not too bad. But today, we knew today was going to be a honker going through Montana.
We left, what, 9:30?
9:30 in the morning.
9:30, and then we got here, what,
7:30? Yeah.
So that's what, 2?
I don't know. That's a long day. It's like 400 some miles. So, but the truck did really good. The old Johnny Utah, man. This truck is a monster up these hills. This thing will, this thing will pull.
What highway did we take when we got off the interstate? Because we went south on the interstate, and then we went up on that 2-lane highway.
2-lane highway was 12.
Oh, okay. So 12. Just, no, you don't want to be going 70 mile an hour. Just taking a nap back in the truck, and I mean, it didn't stop.
I thought the front wheels come off the ground.
It was like a damn Baja truck.
Oh man, it was pretty big. Pretty big.
Nothing bad happened, just
some
water.
Lost some water. Yeah. But no, everything's working pretty good. Camp Spike number 50. But yeah, man, I love this stuff. Camper is dirty. I'm glad I didn't polish it or nothing. It's just trash. And back home it's all flooded, so this thing got rained on for like 2 days. Jesse just relaxing, looking at all the flood damage. Look at this bear. Look at this Bodie bear. What are you doing, Bodie bear? Did you go for a truck ride today? Was you a good boy?
I'm a burrito.
You love burrito? Okay, everybody. That's a short little clip. Short little tidbit of today. Of the monster drive.
We need showers.
Get out of here. This isn't it.
Sleep.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go eat this pizza before it gets cold.